Hi there, Lindsay here, the Frugal Crafter. Feeling a little under the weather, so I'm probably not going to talk too much here, but I just wanted to film this little crustacean. It's like a little crab, and I'm testing out these new paints by Paul Rubens at the 4th generation watercolor. And I'm going to start off with some Indian Throne Blue, which is this one right here. It's quite a luminous Indian Throne Blue. And I want to just get kind of the body area. I'm using my brushes from Craft Mo. Let's see, I'm going to mix in a little bit of Indian Red. That color has a bit of granulation to it, and so I thought that'd be kind of nice to put in there. And let's see, we got a front leg starting there. Got another sheep here. I like those colors. These flow a little bit more than the other Paul Rubens paints I've used in the past. I use a little bit of that Venetian red with a little bit of mauve in it. Sorry if I'm mumbling, saving my voice a little bit. Tested negative from COVID though, so that's good. I like how the colors will flow into one another. You can see the little bits of another leg coming there. Four legs on this side, not counting the front pincers. Just trying to place them a little bit before I go in with my color. I'll use a little bit of Naples yellow. I like that color. I like it in nautical things. Keep hearing noises upstairs. I don't know if things are being dropped off, deliveries, or if it's the animals. This looks a little awkward, to be honest. I want to use some other blues in here too, so I know I want to have kind of like a little bit of watery, sandy look. I love to let the colors just kind of flow together though. Let's see, maybe take a little bit of that Venetian red and Indian Throne Blue. I also like, actually I like a lot of the colors in this set. But I really want to just test out the flow more than anything else with this, just to see how the colors would flow together. And there is some really nice flow in there. maybe go in with, I like the endothrone, I'm going to go back in with that, with the dagger brush. And just add in some, make little details here and there. Not a lot of detail. I really want to keep a loose look, but I want to have enough detail so you can tell kind of what's going on. Yeah, look at that. I mean, there's some really nice flow here. I'm not sure if these have the ox gall or not. I did ask my contact over at Paul Rubens, who sent these to me, what the story was. I think I might just leave that just like that because I just want to kind of show the paints flowing. Maybe I'll do more to it, I'm not sure, but for now, I'm going to leave that as it is. Quick little 6-minute painting. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.